how to upload every single video you make on TikTok in HD. If you don't have it, I'm going to show you how you can possibly get it and how to use it, where to find it on the app, and we're starting right now. Hey, what's going on? My name is Quincy. So most of you are already uploading what you think are quality videos because you have a certain version of the iPhone. But did you know there is an option on TikTok that lets you upload in higher quality than your default phone option? If your videos are coming out grainy, blurry, you know they could be clearer, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's go ahead and open up TikTok right now. If you're just new and trying to figure out things, we're gonna go ahead and record a video from scratch right now. So I'm gonna hit the plus sign in the middle, boom. Had to back away a little bit. And we're just going to, we are recording this video as a tester video. Yo, 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 1, 2, 3. Stop that. Go ahead and hit the check mark. It plays the video back. None of the options are right here, so you wanna hit next. Now you will see you have branded content, add a link, add playlist. You will also see who can watch this video, allow comments, allow duet, allow stitch. You also see more options. You want to click on more options. Click on more options. It gives you the option to save the video, and also right there, boom, upload in HD. Now what it does say underneath that is upload videos with up to 1080p resolution. High resolution videos may take longer to process and upload. So if you have an old Samsung or maybe one of the older iPhones, you might not have this option. And also in your phone settings, let's see if we can go there now. You want to make sure HD is set in your phone settings first. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to camera on the iPhone or possibly even on Samsung, and you will see it says record video right there, 1080p at 60 frames per second. That's what I use. Not only are my videos 1080p, but they're moving in more of a clear, crisp way. Now you can choose to put this in 720. So make sure your phone is not set by default on 720, because this is why your option may not appear. You don't want to choose the upload in HD option and you're only spitting out 720. So make sure you have 1080. Now me personally, I like to have it on 60 frames per second. If you're going for that movie look, you want to have it on 30 frames. Now you could do 4K as you see, but that's gonna take up a ton of space on your phone. I wouldn't suggest that unless you're doing maybe one 4K TikTok a month, because that's a lot of space. So back out of there. And as long as you have that set, you should have this option right here, upload in HD for the higher resolutions. Let me know, do you have this option when you record a TikTok and you click on the red check mark and you hit next? Is it showing up on your phone? If not, let me know what type of phone you have. Samsung, iPhone, is it the iPhone 11, 12, is it the Pro, is it the Max? If you are not seeing this feature, as you already know from some of my previous videos, you want to take a moment and join TikTok testers, and that is you want to go ahead and download Test Flight and join the TikTok testers program, because this is where you will get many of your options of the new features. I've acquired about 8 or 9, but I've also acquired features just by sending TikTok a ticket. I got the duet layout feature. I acquired the microphone feature in duet mode. There are a number of features that you can get just by sending TikTok a ticket, letting them know how this feature is going to be valuable to you and your followers, and also let them know how many followers you currently have and what your content's all about. You gotta make it sound good. Make sure you like and share this video with anyone who can benefit from it. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can keep getting content like this. All right, I will see you on the next video.